So can I have a big round of applause?
वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून टू एवरीबडी। और आप लोग का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आज यहाँ आने के लिए। ये बात कुछ दिल से थी, इसलिए हम आपके पास भी चल कर आ गए। सो इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग इट इन अ हॉस्पिटल दिस टाइम, वी थॉट विल काइंड ऑफ गेट क्लोजर टू यू। प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर, सबने सुना है। कोई ऐसा है जिसने नहीं सुना? सबने सुना है। सो नो हैंड्स रेज, सो आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि सबने सुना है। We at Fortis have been trying to put this across to the society as a part of our society initiatives कि prevention is better than cure. Cure तो हम करते ही हैं, लेकिन हम ऐसी क्या चीज है जो और कर सकते हैं जिससे हम सोसाइटी में वैल्यू एडिशन कर सकें, वो प्रिवेंशन है। दिस इज नॉट द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट वी आर डूइंग इट। मीडिया इज अवेयर, सम ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स सिटिंग हियर आर अवेयर, आवर एमिनेंट टीम ऑफ कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट इज अवेयर। ये हमारा चौथा इवेंट है इस स्केल का। हमारा पहला था जहां पे हम लोगों ने कुछ 3,500 बच्चे एक जगह इकट्ठे किए और उनको सिर्फ हाथ साफ करना सिखाया। और जब उन लोगों ने, उन 3,500 बच्चों ने 55 सेकंड में अपने हाथों को सैनिटाइज किया, तो आप जानते हैं वो एक गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बन गया, जो आज भी गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड हमारे नाम पे है। द सेकेंड थिंग दैट वी डिड वाज वी काइंड ऑफ वांटेड टू डू समथिंग विद द वुमेन। And I don't know how many of you are still aware, while we have been talking about it in the last 1 year, that cervical cancer is one of the biggest cancers or biggest impacting cancers to women today. हम लोगों ने वहाँ भी एक गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड अटेम्प्ट किया था, जिसमें 8 घंटे के अंदर कुछ 700+ स्क्रीनिंग्स वर डन। दैट वाज डन एट आवर हॉस्पिटल इन वाशी, और वो भी आज एक गिनीज रिकॉर्ड है। कुछ 6-7 महीने पहले हमने अपना तीसरा बड़ा इवेंट किया था, जिसको हम कहते हैं चिल्ड्रन अगेंस्ट टोबैको। ये निर्मल लाइफस्टाइल में किया गया था, जहां पे विश्व का सबसे बड़ा मोज़ेक बनाया गया था। ये मोज़ेक कुछ 7,500 फुट का था और 1 लाख ग्रीटिंग कार्ड्स के टुकड़ों से बनाया गया था। 1 लाख ग्रीटिंग कार्ड्स वर गिवन आउट टू किड्स इन मुंबई। दे टुक इट टू देयर पेरेंट्स एंड दे टोल्ड देम, एज अ किड, जस्ट इमेजिन अ किड टेलिंग यू, डैड डोंट स्मोक, डैड don't consume tobacco. So this was Children Against Tobacco. और जो लोगों ने, आप लोगों ने, कुछ लोगों ने तो देखा होगा, वो मोज़ेक अनबिलीवेबल था। 1 लाख टुकड़ों से बनाया गया मोज़ेक 4 घंटे के अंदर 7,500 फुट उसका कवरेज था। Now on the occasion of World Heart Day this year, we thought we should do something that has never been thought of. पहले तो हम क्या करते थे, हम गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाते थे। कैसे बनाते थे? कोई ऐसा काम करते थे जो पहले किसी ने किया हो। This time the thought was, let's do something which nobody has done earlier ever. And what came to our mind, we started thinking about the city, and when we thought, on the World Heart Day, if we dedicate something to the city which has the biggest heart, what can it be? और हमारे जब टीम्स ने मिलकर सोचा, तो जो दिमाग में आया कि हम एक ऐसा गाना बनाते हैं जिसमें सब लोगों को हम सिर्फ ये याद दिला सकें कि भैया टेक केयर ऑफ योर हार्ट। इस गाने में हम कहीं नहीं हैं। हम जो करते हैं, जो चीज हम करते हैं, जिसको आप अस्पताल समझते हैं, द वे वी लुक एट हॉस्पिटल्स, वी आर एसेंशियली नोन फॉर क्योर, एंड वी आर फिनोमिनल इन आवर क्योर्स। आई एम श्योर यू आर ऑल अवेयर, वी हैव टुडे the largest network of cath labs in the city of Mumbai. We have 5 caths operating in the city of Mumbai. We have probably the finest cardiology team and the cardiac surgery team that can exist. और अगर हिंदुस्तान में देखें तो क्योर वैसे ही बहुत अच्छा है। हिंदुस्तान भर में कुछ 2.25 लाख सर्जरीज परफॉर्म की जाती हैं एक साल में, और जब आउटकम की बात आती है तो वो आउटकम विश्व में किसी स्तर से कहीं से भी आप कंपेयर नहीं करते, वो है प्रिवेंशन। We talk about it, we really don't follow it. हम सबके पास एक बहुत अच्छा एक्सक्यूज है, और I'll be surprised अगर आपने कभी ना यूज किया हो। उस एक्सक्यूज को कहते हैं टाइम नहीं है। आप कभी बोलते हैं हम ट्रेन में हैं, कभी बोलते हैं हम बस में हैं, कभी बोलते हैं हम काम पर हैं, और अपने दिल का ख्याल नहीं रख पाते। इतना मुश्किल है नहीं वैसे दिल का ख्याल रखना। मतलब मैं आपको मेडिकल साइड के बारे में बता सकता हूँ, कुछ देर बाद आपको लेस्ली शायद दिल की धड़कन के बारे में बताएंगे, दूसरी तरफ से बताएंगे। मेडिकल साइड से मैं आपको इतना बता सकता हूँ, ठीक खाइए, एक्सरसाइज करिए, और कुछ नहीं चाहिए। यू लिव हेल्थियर, यू लिव लॉन्गर। and you will not need to come to us. And that's the message that we wanted to drive. With that, I've kind of said it all. Where is my MC? Thank you so much for being here once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Pleasure. We'll request you to please take your seats. For Mulund, ma'am, pleasure to have you here. And ma'am, this is for you. सबसे पहले मुझे बताइए, आप लोगों को तो अवगत कराने वाले हैं दिल को, दिल का ख्याल रखने के लिए. मुझे आप बताइए, यंगस्टर्स को उनके दिल का ख्याल रखने के लिए क्या बताएंगे आप उन्हें सबसे पहले?
यंगस्टर्स को तो बहुत कुछ करना चाहिए और जिस तरह से आप हंस रहे हो उसको मेरे को लग रहा है कि आपको ऑलरेडी मालूम है कि क्या करना चाहिए. So be active, be fit. Be fit
and stay away from heartbreaking activities.
Be happy. Yeah.
Be happy. So ma'am, the dice is all yours. And bhai, Fortis की तरफ से आवाज नहीं आ रही. Give her a big round of applause. For those of you who've just joined us, I really look up to ma'am. I met her nearly a year ago, and when they had the 10th year anniversary, she joined Fortis and today is actually the head there. So if anybody thinks about growing in their life, thinks about dedication and hard work, you have a living, breathing example.
Cardiac disease is something जिसके बारे में सबको कुछ ना कुछ मालूम है. And everybody has a point of view, everybody has a counter view. So what more can I tell you about cardiac disease? We have the best of cardiologists sitting here, we have cardiac surgeons sitting here. So what is it that I'm going to tell you जो आप लोगों को से पहले से नहीं मालूम? शायद I may not be telling you what you don't know already, but what we have put together is a little few facts and data which you must take back with you, which you must take back and share with people whom you meet, so that what we do right, ताकि मुंबई की धड़कन सही सलामत रहे. So here goes. There's a lot of information available. There's a lot of data available which is more global than Indian about cardiac disease. इंडिया में थोड़ा ही डेटा है, तो मैं जो आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ वो थोड़ा ग्लोबल डेटा, इंडियन डेटा और हमारा खुद का एक्सपीरियंस, हम इतने साल से कार्डियक पेशेंट्स को ट्रीट कर रहे हैं, उसके बेसिस पे हमारा जो खुद का एक्सपीरियंस है और जो हम देख रहे हैं वो हिसाब से मैं आपके साथ शेयर करती हूँ. सो कार्डियक डिजीज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली हैज बिकम द नंबर 1 disease of the globe and particularly India. It's become the number 1 killer disease. It's become the number 1 cause of death. 25% of all deaths which occur are because of cardiac disease across all age groups. अब 25 to 69 age group अगर लेंगे तो उसमें the death occurs in almost 19% of people. Now अगर you take a urban, हमको लगता है कि it is only a disease of the city. Not true. The latest studies show that it's as much prevalent in cities as it is in rural areas. 32% prevalence of death because of cardiac disease in urban areas, 22% prevalent in rural areas. The slides are not on. Okay, anyway. So that's the basic impression about what is cardiac. Is cardiac disease an emerging disease? No. Cardiac disease is a disease which has already emerged and is holding center stage. What's your next point of worry? Next point of worry is that we know so much about it. We understand that it is widespread, it's prevalent. What's the status in Mumbai? Mumbaikas are at a very high risk, probably a higher risk than a lot of other places in the country. And in spite of having the best of facilities, oftentimes people are not coming into the hospitals and the right places in time for treatment. So you have a lot of death due to cardiac disease, which happens outside, even before the patient comes into the hospital, surely because of lack of awareness. So almost about 50% of cases are those who don't come into the hospital and kind of have an event right at home or before they reach the hospital. The largest study which has been done in terms of the cardiac diseases has been done as what we have data available in India, is a joint study between ICMR and a Toronto unit, and that's where the data comes from. Now, in terms of the age groups who are getting affected, we all think of cardiac diseases affecting the adults. Most important to note is cardiac disease has become extremely prevalent among the young people. So if you take a hospital data, you'll still find that a few years back, the number of patients who came to you, probably 60 to 70% of the patients would have been those who are, say, above 50. Today, it is no surprise to find that the people who are walking into you with chest pain and are taking treatment for cardiac disease are actually youngsters, and the age is moving lower and lower down. You have more patients below 40. Now, if a patient is somewhere around 35, you don't think of him as young anymore coming with cardiac disease. So you have even those who are in the age group of 20 upwards coming to you with a cardiac problem. Now, here again, the primary issue is that in spite of so much of awareness all around us, there are patients who are not coming to us on time, and it's not at all a surprise that we encounter every day that there are youngsters who think chest pain, मेरे को हार्ट अटैक नहीं हो सकता. उनको चेस्ट पेन है तो उनको शायद हार्ट अटैक होगा, लेकिन मेरा चेस्ट पेन हार्ट अटैक नहीं हो सकता. And as a result of this, there are patients who come into the hospital late. We can't do the best which can be done for them, and this causes a lot of residual problems. So this is a funny situation where we have so much awareness and still people are not coming in for treatment. Another very, very important category where there is a lot of attention which needs to be focused, we'll also be doing this as part of our whole initiative, is the women. Cardiac disease is the #1 killer of women. Again, what does your hospital data show you? In my own hospital, when we go back and look at our data over the past 10 years, we find about 70% of the patients we've treated are men. So why is it? And I'm telling you, it's women who are getting affected. It's because women are neither taking the risk factors seriously, nor are they aware that they are at a high risk, and so they don't come in for treatment again on time. There is going to be a concerted effort from our part to reach out to women. We probably are going to relaunch what WHO launched a couple of years back, which is called as a Force Red, which is going to be a specific attempt to reach out to women, make them aware, make them conscious, and bring in preventive aspects as well as treating them early. Now, apart from this, there's another category which is the children. Are they spared? Children are not spared too. We have 1 in 100 child who is born with a congenital cardiac defect. We also have, because of our lifestyle conditions, a lot of children who have obesity, who have a poor lifestyle, and they grow up to become young adults, again developing cardiac diseases. So what I'm trying to tell you is, across the spectrum, there is cardiac disease is happening in high numbers. And also there's another, we often think of cardiac the same. We need to take particular attention and pay particular attention to preventive aspects, and the youth, the women, and of course the all other segments as well need to take cognizance and come forward for treatment. What we need to change, what we need to reach out to people for, is to say that there is treatment available. The awareness has to be right. There is treatment available. Come to the right place, come on time, and get your